Samsung is preparing a significant update for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, coming in June to improve the experience even better than ever. Although the Galaxy S23 Ultra is among the best smartphone cameras right now, Samsung is bringing even more improvements to optimize its camera performance. It was revealed that the South Korean firm could bring more camera features with the next software update, and one of those features has been spotted. The Galaxy S23 Ultra will get the 2x focal length option in the camera app's portrait mode, and the feature was spotted by Tipster Ice Universe when testing an unreleased firmware. The screenshot shows a 2x option on top of the 1x and 3x options that are already present. This gives more focal length options to users who want to capture portrait images of people, pets, or other objects. Apparently, this 2x option in the Galaxy S23 Ultra's camera app uses a 50-megapixel crop-in sensor zoom from the primary 200-megapixel ISO-cell HP2 camera sensor, and then that image is converted to a 12-megapixel image in post-processing. In-sensor zoom offers better details than just digitally cropping an image. This option is already present in the Galaxy S21 series. The upcoming firmware that Samsung is currently testing internally has a file size of around 1.5 gigs. Apart from the 2x option in the portrait mode, the upcoming update is also expected to improve image quality, solve blooming issues around objects in HDR, and 2x zoom for videos. It could be released sometime toward the end of May 2023 or early June 2023. Samsung is gearing up for its next major Unpacked event, which will feature the unveiling of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Z Fold 5. Recent rumors suggest that this event could take place on July 26, with a global release slated for August 11. Recent case leaks have confirmed the designs for both the Z Flip 5 and Z Fold 5, revealing minimal changes to the Fold 5's appearance, while the Z Flip 5 boasts a substantial redesign. Notably, the Z Flip 5's outer screen has received a significant upgrade, marking a huge advancement for the Z Flip series. It's certainly exciting to anticipate how Samsung will utilize this larger outer display. That concludes today's video. I hope you found the information useful. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please leave your comments in the section below. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.